Car won't start? Don't call tow truck. Dead battery? No problem. Jump it yourself and feel unstoppable. Step 1. Safety first, good battery plus dead battery. Park the good car close. Red to positive, black to negative. Every champion starts with the right preparation. Step 2. Red to red, black to black ground. Connect red to both positives, black to good negative, then ground on the dead car. Let it charge 2 to 3 minutes. This is where you take control. Step 3. Start at the car. Rev the good car, then start yours. Boom. You're back on the road. You didn't just start a car, you restarted your confidence. You just proved you can handle anything. Life will stall you sometimes. But with the right moves, you always restart stronger. Save money, build skills, own your journey. Like if you're ready to jump your challenges. Subscribe for more wins.